In this video, we are going to install this mini 4K dash cam provided by GKU for review. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Front camera records at 4K detail at 25 frames per second with a wide angle view of 170 degrees. You have your microphone, your function button, your USB-C power port, your memory card slot which supports up to 256 gigs. They do include a 64 gig micro SD card. On top is a 140 degree adjustable bracket for the ideal angle recording, which is also detachable for portability. On the rear would be your indicator light. Uses a supercapacitor to withstand extreme weather conditions. This mini dash cam measures at 3.2 inches by 1.2 inches and 1.4 inches tall. Includes your USB-C 12-volt power adapter with an expanded USB port, a couple of electrostatic films, an extra adhesive, your trim pry tool, and your user manual. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. I plan on mounting this dash cam behind the rear view mirror. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and mount it over here so you can see what I'm doing. Remove the protective film on the adhesive, place the camera on the windshield, then press firmly. Next, we go ahead and install your 12-volt power adapter. You just plug it in, tuck it underneath the headliner, and depending on where your 12-volt adapter is, just plug this in. For this install, I have a convenient power adapter installed. It does have a switch for ignition mode. Flip that switch, you have continuous mode, in which the power will stay on until the battery hits a certain threshold, then the power would shut off. You also have time mode. The power would shut off at a certain amount of time. If you're interested in a product like this, I'll leave the product link in the description below. Simply get your USB-C cable, plug it into your dash cam, then plug the other end to your power adapter. Now we can start up the vehicle. On your phone, open up your Wi-Fi settings. Look for GKU D200 dash cam. Enter your default password 1234567778. Connect. Now that you're connected, open up the GKU app, plus button on the top right. Hit next. You're already connected to Wi-Fi. And now you're connected to the D200. On the bottom left is where your files are stored.
Stop recording.
You can select a file, and on the bottom you can download, take a screenshot, or delete that file. On the bottom right is your camera settings.
Stop recording.
You can turn on and off your sound recording, adjust your speaker volume, change your video resolution. Highest resolution is 4K. Change your loop recording duration. Have it set to 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes. Change your light source frequency. Turn on and off your time watermark. Have a 24-hour clock or 12-hour clock. Change your date format. Adjust your collision sensing. Change your Wi-Fi name. Change your Wi-Fi password. View your firmware version. Format your SD card, or reset to factory settings. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.